Hi, Jonathan here at Morgan and Mallet, and we're going to talk about a position that just became available for full charge housekeeper in Old Brookville in Long Island. This is an area where a lot of old money family big estates are, and they're looking for someone to handle the formal home. It's an 8-bedroom, 12-bathroom, 10,000 square feet estate. So you'll be managing inside, outside, the grounds, which is why it's a full charge housekeeper, in addition to supervising other housekeepers, other staff. So if you're interested, please click below, and don't forget to go into our YouTube channel, which is Morgan Mallet International. Good luck.